Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Young Brooke here. Today I'm going to show you how to messy bun just in 2 minutes like this hairstyle. For the best easy hairstyle, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be noticed when I post a new video. Are you ready? Let's start. If you want to do bun quick and easy in the morning, you should roll your hair before go to bed. It is very easy, it only takes 2 minutes. If you want to learn how to curl your hair without heat, like those hairstyles, so I will post a full video step by step next week. So now I'm going to show you how I do messy bun in the morning. This is just very easy and very quick. So first of all, what I need is I just need the hair tie and the 4 U-pin like that, 4 of those. Don't forget to comment below what hairstyle would you like to learn next. So now I take it off. And this is how my hair is look like. First, I just have to... Okay, first, I want my bun high up to here, so I keep my hand in one place. Then I move all the hair one side, and then I move another hand and move another side. So let I do this. Then I hold this hand. Make sure this hand I don't move. I keep the same place where I want the bun. Then I use the hair tie. Wrap around. Then you can see with the hair on the top, I just messy it a little bit and wear the way how I want it. That's it. That's I'm happy with. Then I use the U-pin. I just put it in one and in this side I put like that. Just make sure it's squeezed in one place so it's not moved. So my hair when I do like that is keep like that for whole day. And one more on the back. So I put this in here and I press it like that. So here we go. Then I'm done. So now you know how to messy bun. I hope you enjoy video today. If yes, please like and share to your friend. Also, please type easy below if you think you can do it. Shh, let me share you my secret. If you want to join a community of women like you, click to the link in description below where I share all tips and tricks, also advice for you to feel more confident. Also, you love your hairstyle every day. Okay, click to the link below to join a community. See you in the next video. Bye for now.